Now, the case for buying gold has been increasing over the last couple of weeks due to increased expectations that the Federal Reserve will need to stop hiking interest rates as US economic activity shows signs of slowing down. The main economic data point that had markets concerned was the very weak US PMI prints that we saw coming out last week for the US. You can see the manufacturing and the global services print both came in below markets' minimum expectations. Now, this week is really important for the US on the data front. On Thursday, we have the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, the PCE print, coming out at 1:30 UK time. Then on Friday, we have the all-important labour data that the Federal Reserve consider as crucial for a need to clearly signal a pause in interest rate hikes. So from the Federal Reserve's perspective, they see strong labour data as inflationary and weak labour data as deflationary. So if we see a miss in the labour data, so if the headline that's expected to come in at 170,000, say it comes in below 40,000, and so the average hourly earnings come in below 0.2%, and say the unemployment rate comes in above 3.6%, then the Federal Reserve will read that as deflationary, and that would likely lift gold higher. So if we saw a big miss in the PCE print on Thursday, the big miss in the jobs data, that would be a strong tailwind for more gold gains. Now, seasonally, look at this. We notice around the turn of the month that gold tends to see buyers around month end. And over the last 10 years, when it comes to the last day of the month and compared to the first day of the month, that on average gold gains 0.41%. So this is one pattern to keep an eye on, as well as the data. And the biggest risk here is if the inflation reading comes in high on Thursday and the jobs data come in strong, then that would be a natural headwind for gold and a key risk to this outlook. What we spoke about in this video is a risk event analysis surrounding the upcoming risk event outlined in this video. We want to put seasonals, fundamentals, and technicals all together for a great trade. We have the latest high probability swing trade ready for you right now to grab. If you just click below this video, we'll send it to you straight away.